Hello, English lover. I am going to teach you about the most important concept of English grammar, the subject and predicate. What is subject and predicate? The sentence kind of sentence use of word in the sentences, eight parts of speech. Infinitives, participles, comparative importance of the parts of the speech in the sentences. The subject noun is simple subject. The predicate verb or simple predicate per compound subject and predicate substitute for the part of speech. Phrases, clauses, compound and complex sentences. What is sentence? What is sentence? A sentence is a group of words which express a complete thought. A sentence is a group of words which express a complete thoughts. For example, fire burns, walls whole, rain is falling, Charles is courteous, patient's effort removes mountains, London is the largest city in the world. A man who respects himself should never condescend to use slovenly language. That is a complete sentence. Some of these sentences are short, expressing a very simple thought. Others are comparatively long because the thought is more complicated and therefore requires more words for its expression. But every one of them, whether short or long, is complete in self. It comes to definite end and is followed by full pause. That subject and predicate. What is subject and predicate? Subject of sentence designate the person, place or thing that is spoken of. The predicate is that which is said of the subject. That which is said of the subject. That for example, fire is subject, burns is predicate, walls is subject, hall is predicate, rain is subject, is falling is subject, is predicate, Charles is subject, is courteous is predicate, patient effort is subject, removes mountain is predicate, London is subject, is the largest city of the world is predicate. A man who respects himself, a subject, should never be condescending to use slovenly language is predicate. The subject is fire and the predicate is bird in a third. The subject is rain, the predicate is falling. The subject is man who respects himself, a subject should never condescend to use slovenly language is predicate. Either subject or predicate may consist of single words or of a number of words, neither the subject by itself nor the predicate by itself. However extended the sentence, the mere mention of a thing does not express a complete thought, neither does a mere assertions. If we neglect to mention the person or thing about which assertions is made. Thus it appears that both a subject and predicate are necessary to make a sentence. Sentence may be declarative, interrogative, imperative, or exclamatory sentences. A declarative sentence declares or asserts something as a fact. That, like for example, Dickens wrote David Copperfield that as a fact. The army approached the city that is telling about a fact. An interrogative sentence asks a questions like who is that officer is question mark. that we end the sentences is question mark is that interrogative sentences. Does Arthur Moore lives here is that interrogative sentences. An imperative sentence express a command or a request. That we open the door is command. Open the door is command. Pronounce the vowels more distinctly is requested. Pronounce the vowels more distinctly is request. An exclamatory sentence express surprise, grief, some others emotions in the form of an exclamations or cry. That grief, emotions, and exclamations of cry. How calm the sea is. What a noise the engine makes. What a noise the engine makes. That cry and exclamations. So we let's start the first exercise of grammar. That first, in the following sentences, separate the subject and predicate. The first is the cackling of geese saved Rome. Cackling of geese is subject. The boy is subject. Stood on the burning deck is predicate. Tubal Cain is subject. Was a man of might is predicate. That nest is that stone walls is subject. Don't make a prison is predicate. The singing of the bird is subject. Delight us is predicate. Miss Kitty is subject. Was rude at the table one day is predicate. He is subject. Has a good memory is predicate. Bad habits is subject. Grow consciously is predicate. The earth is subject. Revolves around the sun is predicate. Nature is subject is the subject of the physicians is predicate. Edison is subject invented the photograph is predicate. The sea hath many thousand subject sends is predicate. We is subject cannot pump the ocean dry is predicate. Borrowed garments never is subject. Fit well is predicate. The early bird is subject. Catch the worms is predicate. All matter is subject. Is indestructible is predicate. Islamabad is subject. Is the capital of Pakistan is predicate. We is subject. Should profit by exercise is predicate. All roads is subject. Leads to Rome is predicate. A guilty conscience is subject and needs to excuse is predicate. The beautiful rainbow's soon is subject and faded away predicate. No man is subject, can serve two masters is predicate. A sick room is subject, should be well eyed is predicate. A dewdrops is subject, gilter in the sun shines is predicate. So please subscribe this channel and share. Welcome to my YouTube channels and like and bell icon to more videos and motivate me. Thank you very much.